Hello guys. I have a problem with my headset right now. Um, like it's been working for like 2 months, but I just turned them on today, and every time I try to turn it back on, I click this button right here, and the LED light won't like turn on. And then I like restarted everything from my Xbox, and it still won't turn on. Can you comment to see what happened?